How to contact Best Wallet support. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Best Wallet support. Best Wallet application has in-app support feature. To access that, first of all, you will need to open your Best Wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to locate the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and in the settings page, here scroll down and find get help option. Once you find it, tap on it and this will open the in-app support page where you can explore guides, articles and frequently asked questions. You may also tap on this help option from the top and inside it, here you'll be able to get the solutions for your issues based on the topics that is similar to your issue. And from here, you can tap on one of these topics to get the answers related to your wallet. If you don't want to use this method, then you can also directly email the support team of Best Wallet at contact@bestwallet.com. You can describe and explain about your issue or inquiry in detail, and they will assist you in resolving the issue once they get the email. You will need to wait for the response from Best Wallet and then you'll be able to get assistance from them. So by following these steps, you can effectively reach out to Best Wallet support team for assistance with any issues or inquiries related to your wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.